Struggling with snoring? I've found the perfect solution for you. This innovative EMS device detects snoring and provides gentle vibration pulses to the hypoglossal nerve and mandibular muscles. It works by stimulating the muscles to stay firm, keeping your airway open throughout the night. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to peaceful, uninterrupted sleep for both you and your partner. Head to our link in bio for free shipping and exclusive offers.